everyone, welcome to the Week in Review where I discuss 5 things that I've accomplished this week. So, as you know, I'm a very big techie and I've been going through work development program for cloud computing. So number one for this week is Amazon Web Services. I completed the Solutions Architect Associate Training Program, and I will say that it helped me learn the difference between that and cloud practitioner, which is I had to really rely on my SAS programming and systems administration skills because they had PuTTY, which is Linux PowerShell scripting, as well as command prompt, and also know about remote desktop connections. Moreover, I had to utilize my code review, whereas when there were errors, in code review, you go line by line to see the syntax. And even though you were using JSON and Amazon Web Services has different syntax than SAS, it's still the mentality that you have to look at the syntax. You have to look to see whether or not you didn't have a dash there or you had an extra space because it could be counted as a character. However, this Amazon Web Services was very good class. It supplemented a lot of my self-study through lynda.com, LinkedIn Learning, Solutions Architect Associate Learning Path. I entered into this completing 5 of the 9 modules, but it enabled me to be prepared for the material. I mentioned how I filled in the gaps. It was very lab intensive, which is great because you need to know the application, not just the theory behind it. And I felt that it was a very good 4-day certification training. I'm going to start implementing it now, and in a week from now, I will be starting the SysOp admin. However, my AWS leads into number 2, which is LinkedIn. I document my cloud journey, which is my way of learning more about cloud computing on LinkedIn, as well as uploading the videos onto my stories on Instagram and Facebook. And today I did a previous video where if you're watching this on my website, Carla or Jenkins, or on LinkedIn, I'll put in the description on how I received over 200 video views for my Amazon Web Services Solutions Architect Associate days 2 through 4 course review. And that's a lot of community engagement and support because I've also gotten a lot of invitations from people on LinkedIn from the cloud computing, and I've also been accepted into new groups. Some of them are Amazon Web Services, others are not. But what I'm happy about is that my profile has increased and that I'm receiving a lot of opportunities outside of cloud computing because of what I'm doing. People are paying attention to my page. They're looking for more information. In addition to that, I'm also a certified project management professional, certified Scrum Master and IDLE, and I'm actively looking for positions, full-time direct hire, remote Cleveland and DC positions. So if you're interested and you want to learn more about me, please connect with me on LinkedIn at linkedin.com/IM/Carla R. Jenkins. And it leads to number 3, which is receiving over 675 Periscope hearts. So I love live stream, and Periscope was the first place where many people live stream. What I did, I started in 2015. So I've been live streaming for over 4 years, and to receive this milestone is great. I did a video and I posted on YouTube, and I'm happy that it's one of my more popular videos this week because everyone knows how much I love live stream. I feel that a lot of the hearts that I receive from Periscope is through my show Projectize, which is a project management show that I air Mondays through Fridays, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And now I'm live streaming it across YouTube Live and Instagram Live. So more people are coming to Twitter and Periscope more for where I originally broadcast Projectize. So I'm just very happy about that and the camaraderie that I have with the people who come in here. This week has been completely different because the focus was on the Project Management Network magazine. I took a story out of them every single day and did something regarding it. And speaking of social media and live stream, number 4 is Instagram. And I'm close to receiving 900 followers, which is great because I mostly have increased my activity and my stories, and I feel that that is the reason why people are connecting with me. I would also say that my increased streaming, my projectile show, so people who are interested in project management as well as Amazon Web Services, because I upload my video summaries to my stories as well as Instagram TV. I posted that video that I posted on LinkedIn. I also uploaded as Instagram TV and had a preview in my feed. Getting the 900 is great. That would really, really make my day. So if you're interested in social media, tech, and project management, please follow me on Instagram at instagram.com/Carla Jenkins. And number 5, last but not least, my website, carlarjenkins.com, is already Alexa Internet Majestic Million, which is a top 1 million website on the internet, but it has achieved its highest ranking thus far at 312,000. I am grateful for everybody who comes to my site, who reads my articles, watches my videos, and connects with me, because that's what my website is all about. It's all about that community connection and also learning in the areas of social media, personal branding, and project management. And to be able to share information, and a visitor can come there and become educated and do actionable steps. That's what carlarjenkins.com is all about. And we have a email list that you can sign up for at carlarjenkins.com/mailing list. Is Carla's correspondence. It comes out weekly and it covers those 3 areas. As I mentioned, I do a lot of social media and content marketing because I'm very big on engagement and community. It's a two-way street here. So it's not just me uh, putting out things, it's also being receptive and learning from my community, which is so important. So those are the 5 things for this week in review. The big one is Amazon Web Services, but I also had a lot of wins on Periscope, LinkedIn, Instagram, as well as my website, carlarjenkins.com. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and I'll see everybody in the week in review and the week ahead too. Bye.